How to add background song on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application on a device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now let's click a random picture or a video. I'm going to click a picture over here. Now, as I click a picture, you can add a background song. You can see when you click a picture or video, you'll be able to see the different options at the right side of the screen. So all you need to do is tap on this music icon at the right side of the screen, and as I tap on the music section, you'll be able to see the different musics over here. You can select whichever is better for you. So I'm going to select on a particular song. You can trim the song as you would want and so on. And after doing that, you can just tap on the check mark of trimming song, and you can just keep the music icon wherever. You can hide it as well, and then there you go, you have added background song on Snapchat. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.